Looking for a way to watch movies, TV shows, and live channels without paying a monthly subscription? Then Zumo Play is a platform you should definitely know about. In 2026, it continues to be one of the best free and legal streaming services, offering hundreds of live TV channels and thousands of on demand titles, all without a subscription. In this guide, I'll show you how Xumo Play works, what you can watch, and why it's become one of the top free streaming platforms available today. Let's get started. The first thing you should know is that Xumo Play is completely free and legal. Instead of charging a subscription fee, the service is supported by advertisements, which means you can enjoy a huge library of entertainment without paying anything. There's no credit card required, and in many regions, you don't even need to create an account to start watching. One of Xumo Play's biggest strengths is its content library. The platform offers more than 350 live TV channels covering news, sports, entertainment, comedy, documentaries, reality shows, cooking, kids programming, music, and much more. In addition to live channels, you'll also find over 15,000 on-demand movies and TV shows, giving you plenty of options whether you're looking for something live or want to watch at your own pace. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just visit the Xumo Play website or download the app on your favorite device. It's available on smart TVs, Android TV, Google TV, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, mobile devices, and web browsers, making it easy to stream from almost anywhere. Once you open the app, you can immediately browse live channels or explore the on-demand library without complicated setup. Another feature users appreciate is how easy the interface is to navigate. You can browse by category, search for specific content, or simply channel surf just like traditional cable TV. Since the catalog is updated regularly, new channels and movies are added throughout the year while others rotate based on licensing agreements. Of course, there are a few limitations. Because Xumo Play is ad-supported, you'll see commercial breaks while watching movies, shows, and live channels. Also, the available content varies depending on your country, so some titles or channels may not be accessible in every region due to licensing restrictions. So, is Xumo Play worth using in 2026? Absolutely. If you're looking for a legal way to enjoy free entertainment without paying for multiple streaming subscriptions, Xumo Play is an excellent choice. Its combination of hundreds of live channels, thousands of on-demand titles, wide device support, and simple user experience makes it one of the best free streaming services available today. Overall, Xumo Play is perfect for anyone who wants quality entertainment while keeping monthly streaming costs at zero. Have you tried Xumo Play yet? What's your favorite free streaming service in 2026? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more streaming guides, app reviews, and tech tips.